Look at all the creaminess here in our white sauce. We're spreading it now over our first layer of beef. To the next level. Hey, what's up, my honeybees? Today we'll be preparing minced beef lasagna. But for my vegetarian friends, you can replace the minced beef with veggie mince. We have barbecue sauce, lasagna pasta, Pragos pizza sauce. We have our paprika, and we have our Cajun seasoning. We also have our cayenne pepper. And for our white sauce, we'll be using 3 tablespoons of flour, a dash of jerk seasoning, 2.5 cups of milk, and a third of the sauce of the cheese that we have. We're going to be using 1.5 pounds of beef and our scallion, thyme, tomato, sweet pepper, onion, and of course our garlic. While shopping for the cheese, I could not get a half a block or a block of cheese, so I had to buy them in 3 separate wrappings. Not sure I'll be using that parmesan cheese. I don't really like the one that is powdered form. Today I will not be putting the pasta on the fire to boil. I'll be putting it in this flat surface and just pour boiling water on it. That the pot is way too small for it. Pour the sauce in the pot. You're going to put a little water in the bottle So shake it out, as we say in Jamaica, and pour it into the mixture on the fire. To prepare our white sauce, first we're going to be adding the flour to the milk in the pot and whisk. Whisk it to get out any lumps out of the mixture. Checking now on our beef. We're going to be adding my special sauce that I love to use, my barbecue sauce and ketchup mixed together with a little spice. As we put the white sauce, the mixture of the flour and the milk on the stove, we let it heat up a bit, and then we will add our cheese, and that's a white cheddar cheese. Add a little jerk seasoning to give it the flavor, as I said before, and whisk, whisk, and cannot leave it unattended at this point. Even if you want to go to the restroom, you have to stay there and whisk away. Look at it, it's getting all creamy now. Creamy. Look at the consistency. Wow. When we are going to lay our ingredients in our casserole dish, we're going to be putting a little of the sauce or a little of the beef at the bottom for moisture. And then we're going to start laying our lasagna pasta, then our beef and our white sauce. And then we'll start the process all over again, but with cheese and not the white sauce. Look at all that creaminess in our white sauce. We're going to be spreading it now over our first layer of beef. Grating some mozzarella cheese now to be used as a final topping for our lasagna, but I'll also be using a small portion in this layer. is my honeybees, my beef lasagna. And as I said before, to all my vegetarian friends, you can use veggie mince instead of beef.